Artificial intelligence will significantly impact many aspects of our lives, from how we work and communicate to how we interact with technology. Welcome, Sliicers. Here are 10 ways AI might change the way we live. One, logistics and efficiency. When it comes to moving things from point A to point B, artificial intelligence can be used to predict product demand, plan shipments, optimize the use of resources, and reduce waste. Conditions like traffic patterns, weather conditions, and vehicle capacity can be analyzed and adjusted rapidly with AI for optimization. Self-driving delivery trucks and drones are being developed that use AI to navigate roads and make deliveries. 2. Decision-making and predictive analytics. In manufacturing, AI-powered factories can handle consumers' increasing demand and adjust production, predict maintenance, and prevent breakdowns in equipment. It can be used to analyze data and predict future outcomes, such as identifying potential risks or opportunities. For the Earth's health, AI can be used to analyze and interpret data related to climate, helping to predict and mitigate the impact of climate change. In finance, AI already predicts market trends and identifies fraud. It can be even used to manage financial risk through its ability to analyze large quantities of data. 3. Medical uses. AI can be used to analyze medical data, assist with diagnosis and treatment, monitor patient health, and identify potential outbreaks for epidemics. Doctors will use AI to predict the likelihood of patients developing diseases and how well a patient might respond to treatment. On the administrative side, AI can automate arbitrary or outdated systems and ensure that all people have access to adequate health care. 4. Art, entertainment, and content. Artificial intelligence can enhance art and entertainment by drawing from the human corpus of creativity and combining elements in new and unique ways. New design concepts and ideas will be based on humans' input parameters and constraints that will be interpreted by AI. This can be useful for creating unique designs that would be difficult for human designers to develop independently. AI can also generate realistic images and video based on input data to create realistic backgrounds, characters, and other elements for films and games. Some routine applications include analyzing and classifying images and videos based on their content, or identifying and tagging objects in a video. Natural language processing can understand spoken language, which is useful for tasks such as transcribing and translating audio or video content, and generating captions for videos. For writers, AI can find relative information, keywords, topics, and the right tone to make content more engaging. 5. Companionship. Social robots have been designed to interact with humans and provide companionship. They can be programmed to engage in various activities, such as playing games or having conversations, which can alleviate feelings of loneliness. Chatbots can converse with humans in natural language and provide a listening ear, engage in conversation, or even flirt. 6. Virtual assistants and customer service. Virtual personal assistants can help organize your day. So far, AI can schedule meetings and reminders, order food, manage travel plans, select and play music, and more. Some services integrate multiple apps with one interface. Beyond personal assistants, companies can employ similar technology to help customers navigate information about products and services and help them complete tasks like making purchases or troubleshooting technical issues. Voice assistants can answer questions, process orders, and perform tasks at the behest of the customer. The most well-known example is Amazon's Alexa assistant. 7. Facial recognition and fraud detection. It might surprise you that facial recognition is currently one of the most commonly used forms of AI. It can be used to identify people, but there are many applications for facial recognition that you might not know about, like identifying unusual patterns or activities that may indicate fraud. Other uses are biometric authentication, policing, and web browser history tracking. 8. Recommendations. AI recommendation engines use machine learning to analyze behavior and suggest goods and services. These algorithms often operate by finding patterns that indicate preferences and then using those patterns to make recommendations. Collaborative filtering algorithms work by analyzing the behavior of a group of people and identifying items that are popular amongst that cohort. For example, if a group all like a particular movie, a collaborative filtering algorithm might recommend that movie to a new user who shares similar preferences to that group. Content-based filtering algorithms, on the other hand, focus on the characteristics of the items themselves. These algorithms analyze the content of the items and use that information to make recommendations. For example, a content-based filtering algorithm might recommend a book to a user based on that user's past purchases of books with similar themes or genres. 9. Gaming. Many video games incorporate AI to create more challenging opponents, realistic worlds, and immersive experiences. Artificial intelligence is also being used for social elements like chatbots. Examples of the behavior of non-player characters include decision-making, pathfinding, and response to player action. In games with competitive gameplay, AI can be used to control opponents or rivals. This can involve strategic adaptation to the player's actions. AI can also create dynamic and interactive game environments, including weather patterns, traffic patterns, or other game world elements that change over time. Adaptive difficulty ensures that the game remains challenging but not impossible for the player. AI can be used to create more realistic and engaging cutscenes in games by controlling the behavior and dialogue of non-player characters. Overall, AI helps create more immersive and dynamic gameplay experiences in video games. 10. Self-driving vehicles. AI can be used to enable autonomous vehicles to navigate roads and make decisions in real time. One common approach is using a combination of sensor data, such as cameras, LiDAR, radar, and GPS, to map a vehicle's surroundings. For example, the AI might analyze the data from a sensor to identify objects in the environment, such as other vehicles, pedestrians, and traffic signals. It can use this information to decide how to navigate around these objects and follow the traffic rules safely. In addition to machine learning, autonomous vehicles may also use other AI technologies such as natural language processing and computer vision to understand and respond to their environment. Overall, using AI in autonomous vehicles allows us to make intelligent decisions and safely navigate complex environments, reducing the need for human intervention and potentially improving transportation efficiency and safety. Slicer Question of the Week. Do you think artificial intelligence is a great advancement for humankind? Or are you concerned about the unforeseen consequences of using AI? AI will likely continue to play an increasingly important role in human culture and society, and it will be up to us as a society to decide how we want to use this technology. The metaverse is evolving from a curiosity to an essential part of people's lives. It is an exciting time to be involved, and you have many opportunities. Your business can't afford to ignore this global technological shift. However, you need to know the basics before entering this exciting frontier. Let SliiceXR build a custom metaverse world for you. Thanks for watching, Slicers. See you next time.